Amanda here from Create with Scrimpingmommy. Thank you so much for joining me. I've got a really special journal to share with you today. I'm going to share the journal with you. I'm going to share the journal's secrets with you. And then tomorrow, I'm going to share a tutorial. Now, these are made every month for my Ko-fi members. However, tomorrow's tutorial, I will be giving you all of the measurements so that you can create this style of journal. Even if you're not a member and even if you don't buy my papers, you can still give this a try so that you can see how fantastic these monthly journals are, month in and month out, with brand new different ideas. And this is really, really unique to me, Create with Scrimpingmommy. So I've used the beautiful Flutterby Dreams paper. I will leave the links below, but let's get on with the journal. So it is a chipboard journal, chipboard cover journal. There's actually 2 journals in here, okay? And the star attraction is this cover, which looks like, if you can see, a shaker. So we've got shaker elements in there. We've got this butterfly flying about, okay? As long as it doesn't get stuck. And I've got it propped up on a punch to try and distract the glare. But there's another magic element to this cover. Let me show you. So here it is, a lovely large butterfly with some extra wings on, and this attaches to that butterfly there, so that then this becomes part of the journal, and this actually moves, and you then have 2 flying butterflies going up and down that shaker element of that journal. How fantastic is that? Okay, and you can see the other butterfly flying about in the background. You can leave it on your journal or you can take it off. It's totally up to you. And that element there will pick up at any time because they are both magnetised. How cool is that? How cool and how unique. Lovely, unique journal style cover here. And yeah. This is why you should be subscribed and you should be following along with my monthly journals, because every single one is different. So let's just remove this and have a more serious look. Okay, so look at this. It looks like it's a box. Okay, absolutely stunning, made out of chipboard, but when you open it, okay, you've got magnets that keep it closed. You open it like so, and you've got these 2 beautiful compartments decorated beautifully with the papers from my Flutterby Dreams collection and the fussy cuts. So these arms are magnetised, okay? I love the sound of the click of magnets. We've got these beautiful shaped pockets. I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you how to map them. Beautiful, okay? Absolutely stunning, but it's stunningly simple. It's actually a very, very simple design. So in this side, we have a soft cover journal. Okay, beautiful. We've made sure the papers don't protrude. I'll show you how to do that. And we've just got 1 signature. 15 pages, plus I've got paper bags, doilies and tissue paper. And I've not done any decorating in these journals. The key here and the wow is in the papers. They don't need any decorating, do they? Let's be honest, they're stunning. And then in the presentation cover stroke box. Okay, absolutely stunning. So I'm going to do a full tutorial on everything from start to finish. All of this fantastic component. How I've done the journals. Look at this. It's just, isn't she beautiful? The images really are gorgeous. There's that beautiful fairy again. The papers are divine. Okay, Flutterby, we've also got butterflies. And the fairies in them are just beautiful. And you've got a perfect duo of journals there. Absolutely stunning. There's other fairies in here as well. I can't seem to locate them all. There's a lilac fairy somewhere and she's really rather beautiful, but I don't know where I've put her in this journal. I don't know where she is. She's flutterbyed away. She's in there somewhere. All beautifully lined. Okay. Absolutely stunning. It would make for a brilliant gift. It will sit on my bookshelf with all of my other Journaling Joy journals that I've been creating since December last year. So I've nearly completed my collection. When I start a new collection, I may well sell some of them, but I don't know, I might keep this one. So if you'd like to make this beautiful interactive duo of journals in a beautiful presentation box, make sure you're subscribed and we'll start making it tomorrow. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.